Hi there, people. Just wanted to share with you the aspects of cords of steel. Basically, it's the toughest, smartest, most versatile charging cord ever. Our product is basically one cord with one reversible head, which charges hundreds of devices with one single head, including Apple Lightning connector and micro USB. It has no parts to change, no parts to lose. Basically, what's under the hood? It's got an insulation to protect the wires inside. It's got durable branded copper wires, thick wires for fast charge support, and a spring metal on the outer part, which is protective as a guard. Its characteristics, what makes the product unique: rough and tough. It's universal. It's basically pet proof. It's got reversible heads. Let me get into a little bit on the rough and tough. The construction materials and rugged design. Carbon coated stainless steel spring with PVC insulation. The flexible spring steel puts the tension on the outside of the cord instead of the wires, which are inside. It's got a zinc alloy tip at a 90-degree angle or right angle. It takes a lot of the pressure off the tip. It's more secure, and it rests basically on your cup holder going down the road, or on your chest or stomach as you lay back in your favorite recliner or couch. The copper wiring that has been tinned to resist water damage. The cord is also fray and wear resistant. The other aspect is universal. It's got one tip and one cord. Will pretty much charge every device you have. No magnetic pieces to lose, and no thittered cords to get in your way. The right angle is the world's first triple blind charging cord, and basically here's what that means. The USB-A end will plug into the wall, car, or a computer in either direction. No more having to line up the end to be able to plug it in. Either way works. That's one double blind. The charging tip will plug into an iPhone and other Lightning devices in either direction. That's the second double blind. The same charging tip will plug into most Androids and micro USB devices in either direction as well. That's the third double blinded, and people love the fact that our cords charge iPhone Lightning products as well as their drones, GoPro, portable charging packs, game controllers, Bluetooth devices, and much, much more, all on one tip and one cord. Pet proof. We all love our pets, but we hate when they chew our charging cords. So cords of steel, stainless steel, spring metal design makes our cord virtually pet proof. The reversible heads, it's the unique cords of steel tip as well as the USB-A side are both reversible. Goes in every time, the first time, regardless of what device you are trying to charge. So you can contact us. Our website is cordsofsteel.com. You can eagerly go in and do your online shopping. Go through the process at the checkout point. Remember to use the coupon code Costa Rica. Our email address is info at cordonesdeacero.com or cordonesdeacero at gmail.com. And also we have Central America at cordsofsteel.com. So we look forward for you visiting us, and enjoy your shopping. Thank you very much.